Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be I'm going to be showing you how to solve exponential equations. So here we have negative 16 to the power of negative j plus 4 times 64 to the power of 4j plus 1 is equal to 16 to the power of 3j minus 3. So first we have to get common base. So let's see some factors that can square, cube, or raise to the fourth power that will equal these numbers over here, 16, 64, and 16. So 4 to the second, 4 squared is 16, 4 cubed is 64, and 4 squared is 16. So that works. So we have 4 to the power of 2, because 4 squared is 16, times negative j plus 4, and then 64 to the third power, 4 to the third power, which is 64, times 4j plus 1. And then, which is equivalent to 4 to the second power, times 3j minus 3. So now let's simplify. So we have negative 2j plus 8 and plus 12j, 3 times 1, so plus 3 is equivalent to 6j, right there, minus 6. Now I'll simplify the common bases. So 16, 6, 8, 3, and negative 6. We get that negative 2 plus 12j is 10j, minus 6j is 4j, and then we get 8 plus 3, which is 11, and negative 6 over there, so we can just subtract 11 from both sides. We'll get negative 17, and then we divide 4 into both sides, and then we get that j is equivalent to negative 17 over 4. And that's going to be our final answer. So let's go down to our next example. We have, let's see, 81 to the power of x minus 4 is equivalent to 27 to the power of 3x plus 3. Right? So the way we're going to solve that is, we'll just, the common base for that is 3. So then it will be 3 to the fourth power this time, 3 to the fourth power times x minus 4. X minus 4 is equivalent to 3 to the power of 3 times 3x plus 3. Which is equivalent, which is times 3 and 2, negative 3x minus 2. And then we just simplify. So we get 4x minus 16 is equivalent to 9x plus 9 minus 9x minus 6. Now we just solve for x. Well, we have simplified the common terms first. Negative 16, 9, and then negative 6. So let's simplify. These 9's just cancel out, so because there's 9x and negative 9x, and then we have 9 minus 6, which is 3, which is equivalent to 4x plus, minus 16. So we just add 16 over here, and we have 4x over there. And so we'll get 19 over there, and just divide 4 into both sides. So we'll get that x is 19 over 4. And that's our final answer. Okay. Whoops. Now you guys can see it. So our final answer is x is equivalent to 19 over 4. Okay. So let's go up into our next example. Okay. So here we have 4 to the power of negative x minus 1. So how are we going to solve this? We'll have to find the common base that we should use, and I'm pretty sure we can use 2, because 2 to the second power times x minus 1, negative x minus 1 would work, because 2 squared is 4, 2 to the third is 8, so yeah, 2 would work as a base. Okay, so we have 2 again to the power of 2 times negative 2x minus 5. Okay, and then we have 2 to the third power times x minus 2. Okay, so now we simplify this. We simplify. And then let's see what we'll get. So we have 2 times negative 2x, so negative 2x. 2 times negative 1, which is negative 2. 2 times negative 2x, which is negative 4x. 2 times negative 5, which is negative 10. 3 times x, which is 3x. 3 times negative 2, which is negative 6. And now let's simplify. 2, negative 4x, 3, oh, whoops, is equivalent to. I didn't put equivalent to this whole time. How dumb. Okay, there we go. So now let's simplify and solve for x. So we'll get, whoops, let's find the other common denominator. So negative 2, negative 10, and negative 6. And then we'll get, whoops. Okay, so negative 2 over there is fine. Here we have negative 4x plus 3x, so negative x. And then minus 16. And then we have negative 2x over here. Let's just add 2 to both sides. And let's also add x to both sides, so we'll get negative x is equivalent to negative 14. Which means that if we divide negative 1 into both sides, we'll get x is equivalent to 14. Because we divided negative 1 into both sides. And that will be our final answer. You can see, there we go. X is equivalent to 14. That's our final answer. Thank you for watching.